Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing, and this time it's from pin.fb on Instagram. I'm not sure what's inside, but let's open this and find out. Alright, it looks like there's two pole jams in here. Here's one. Little black pole jam, and he was kind enough to send me another one. And it looks like he sent me some double-sided tape so you can tape it anywhere you like. Nice little obstacles, you can stick it anywhere. Here's a black pole jam up close. Here's the white pole jam up close. It's a lot longer and thicker. Here they are compared side by side. It looks like they could be 3D printed to me, and they have two holes to screw them in anywhere you like. So excited to try these out. And yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and click that notification bell to know when I've uploaded a new video. And follow me on my Instagram at Fingerboard Vixen for more fingerboard content. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!